example. France has withdrawn its ambassador to Italy for consultation.
Sit.
A hail of protests about Italy
Stand.
interfering in France's internal
Get it!
That France, led by President Macron, who incidentally has the support currently of 16% of all French men and women, Macron
Out.
is leading the EU challenge to the sovereignty of Venezuela
Sit.
and its right to elect its own president.
Sit.
Okay for France to ceaselessly interfere in the domestic affairs of other countries, Libya, Syria, Ukraine, and now Venezuela, but it is
Down.
completely unacceptable for its neighbor, Italy, to have a point of view
Sit.
about the bludgeoning down, the tear gassing,
Ready?
the
3, 2, 1. Get it!
in France against the hundreds of thousands